মানুষের জন্যে জীবনের জন্যে
If a person has the desire and dreams of becoming accomplished, the path becomes less arduous, no matter how challenging it may be. Professor Dr. M.A. Rashid has achieved the goal of becoming accomplished himself while working tirelessly to uplift others. His autobiographical book, My Life, Some Memories, Some Dreams, is a testament to the unwavering determination and hard work that lies ahead in pursuing one's dreams. He has dedicated his life to serving others through compassion. That, in turn, has created a space for love and respect towards him among people. By reflecting his life till date, we can truly feel inspired. Professor Dr. M.A. Rashid was born on the 1st of July 1952 in a middle-class family in a remote village of Laukhali at Haibatpur Union under Jashore Shodor Upazila. He received his primary education in a village school and went on to complete his secondary school certificate from Shammilani Institute in Jashore in 1967. In 1969, he completed his higher secondary from Jashore MM College. In the same year, he enrolled in Rajshahi Medical College, where he completed his MBBS in 1975. Following his graduation, he underwent service training at Rajshahi Medical College Hospital for a year. During his days at the medical college, he actively participated in the Liberation War. He provided medical services to wounded freedom fighters as well as accommodation and food at his own home. In 1976, he joined as a medical officer at the Burujbagh Sharsha Upazila of Jashore district. While working at the Thana Health Complex, he was deputed to the World Health Organization on a mission to eradicate smallpox under the National Smallpox Eradication Campaign. He served as a national epidemiologist under the WHO in Sylhet district. In 1978, he was employed as an assistant registrar in the cardiovascular surgery department at PG Hospital in Dhaka. In November 1979, he joined the Ministry of Health of the Saudi Arabia as a medical officer. He worked at the health complex of Tadiq City in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia until 1986. In 1988, after obtaining degrees in cardiology from Austria and tropical medicine from the United States of America, he returned to Bangladesh. On his return to the country, he trained as a cardiologist under the guidance of Professor Dr. M. Amanullah at the National Institute of Cardiovascular Diseases. In 1989, he was appointed as a registrar in the newly established cardiology department at Bardem Hospital. He worked there as an assistant professor and later associate professor until joining Ibrahim Cardiac Hospital. In April 2007, he joined Ibrahim Cardiac Hospital as a professor of cardiology and chief executive officer. Before joining Ibrahim Cardiac, he obtained Master in Public Health, specializing in hospital administration at NIPSOM under Dhaka University. After joining Ibrahim Cardiac Hospital in 2008, he obtained an FACC degree from the American College of Cardiology as well as FRCP degree from the Royal College of Physicians and Surgeons in Glasgow in 2009. He participated in numerous seminars and symposiums on cardiology in various countries around the world and published numerous journals. Since joining, Professor Dr. M.A. Rashid is actively working at Ibrahim Cardiac Hospital to transform it into an international model for cardiovascular services. Under the direction and advice of the National Professor Dr. A.K. Azad Khan, the President of the Bangladesh Diabetic Society and a recipient of the Shadhinata Padak for Social Services. He played an instrumental role in introducing MD and MS degree programs at Ibrahim Cardiac Hospital, as well as placed significant emphasis on advanced training for doctors and nurses. Professor M.A. Rashid is the father of 3 children. His eldest daughter passed her master's in English literature with honors from Dhaka University and received Fulbright scholarship to pursue training in the United States. She worked as a lecturer in the English department at a private university and is currently residing abroad. His second child, a younger daughter, received her bachelor's degree in economics from Independent University, Bangladesh, and her master's degree in public policy from the University of California, Berkeley. She worked at the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and later served as the head of public policy for Meta in Bangladesh. She is currently the CEO of an international not-for-profit organization in Canada.
আমার বাবা আমার কাছে সাহস, অনেক বড় সাহস, এবং এটাই একজন মেয়ে হিসেবে আমার সবচেয়ে বড় পাওয়া।
His third child, a son, and his spouse are both doctors. They are currently pursuing higher education in medicine.
বাবা আমার কাছে ছায়ার মতন, আমি হতে চাই আমার বাবার মতো।
বাবা আমার কাছে বটবৃক্ষের মতো, আমার অনেক বড় একটা সাপোর্ট সিস্টেম, উনি আমার শ্বশুর নয়, উনি আমার বাবা।
Professor Rashid's wife served as a senior consultant in the clinical pathology at Bangladesh Medical College and Hospital for over 25 years, and on retiring is currently involved with various charitable causes and community projects.
উনি আমার স্বামী এবং একজন বন্ধুও বটে, এবং আমি চাই যতদিন বাঁচবে ততদিন জানি মানুষের জন্য সেবা করে যায়।
উনি আমার অভিভাবকের মতোই, এবং ওনার সঙ্গে আমার কোনো জড়তা কাজ করে না। সাধারণত বড়দের সঙ্গে যে জড়তাটা কাজ করে সবার, এটা ওনার সঙ্গে আমার নাই। ওনার সঙ্গে আমার সম্পর্কটা খুবই কমফোর্টের, খুবই আরামদায়ক একটা সম্পর্ক।
এবং পরিবারের সাপোর্ট ছাড়া আসলে কোনো কিছু সম্ভব না। আমি অলওয়েজ কনসিডার দ্য ফ্যামিলি ইজ ফার্স্ট।
Professor Rashid is the founder and board member of several educational institutions. In 1981, he established the Abdul Ghaffur Memorial High School in Jashore Sadar Upazila as a tribute to his father, and in 2015 founded Mariam Bibi Mohila Madrasa as a tribute to his mother. As a result of these institutions and his personal efforts, thousands of children, especially young girls in rural Jashore, had access to quality education. Professor Rashid regularly facilitates medical services to underserved communities across the country, including setting up free medical camps, a 22 crore Taka project jointly funded by GMSS Foundation and the Ministry of Social Welfare in Bangladesh. This initiative encompasses an all-integrated residence for neglected and disadvantaged children aged 5 to 18 and the elderly individuals above 65, including medical and civic amenities. A first of its kind in Bangladesh, Amader Badi provides various vocational and technical education opportunities, facilitates its own agricultural projects, and offers high-quality medical services. As an extension of this project, Professor Rashid also founded Amader Agro Farm. For nearly a decade, Professor Rashid served as the elected chairman of the Jashore Zila Shamiti and became a lifelong member of several professional communities. He was also a member of Executive Committee of the Bangladesh Medical Research Council. He is a member of the Board of Regents of Jashore Science and Technology University, appointed by the Honorable President of Bangladesh. He is also serving as a governing body member of Dhaka Commerce College and has played a significant role in advancing higher education. Professor Rashid has traveled to over 50 countries in the world, speaking at panels on medical science and social development. He has contributed significantly to the development of roads and electricity infrastructures in his area in Jashore, as well as the establishment of numerous schools, vocational colleges, madrasas, and mosques. These institutions continue to provide educational and employment opportunities for people while advancing education, health, and socio-economic development.
মানুষ মানুষের জন্যে জীবন জীবনের জন্যে